purpose of this video is to explain how to change your architectural style for your drawings. You might have seen these kinds of fonts or lettering on some floor plans or blueprints, and they appear to be handwritten. So there's several of them, and before AutoCAD has what we call SHX files for do this. Now there are dozens of PTF files or true type fonts that would just do the same thing. I did provide a font folder. So what you can do is you can open this fonts folder and you can download some of these fonts over here. AutoCAD before, long time ago, just uses SHX files. Okay, so why don't we do that? You can simply right click on this one and then click download, and it should download on your downloads folder. Okay, now let's go to AutoCAD. Let's close this and let's go to AutoCAD. And in AutoCAD, if you type the command options, you will see here the directories that AutoCAD uses. Okay, and one particular thing here or folder is called the font folder. Okay, or you can click in the support file search path, and you can see here that there is a particular font folder that it uses. It says it's in Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD 2023 fonts. So that means that you will have to open your um, Windows Explorer and then go to your C drive and then go to Program Files and then Autodesk and then Autodesk 2023, and you should see here your fonts folder, and these are all the fonts that AutoCAD is using right now. Okay, I don't believe AutoCAD has the Architects font, which is this one, architects.shx. So that font is going to be on your downloads folder when we downloaded that one. So we're going to go to downloads folder and it should be here. So all we're going to do once you have two of these open up is you're going to drag this to this folder, and then you'll provide, yeah, simply answer yes, and there you go. So you now have the architects.shx. Okay, now you do have to restart AutoCAD, so we're going to click cancel, and we're going to just close this and open it again uh, in a short while. While waiting AutoCAD to open, simply, and when it's open, simply start a new file so we can start on that one. And then simply check if the font has already been loaded. So simply type in style. Style is the command to create styles of text. And then we're going to create a new one. Click new, and let's call that ARCH. And then click OK. And in the font name, well, we don't want an Arial. We want to use the Architects. So ARCHTX will go up. There you go. This is the Architects SHX. So click that, and that's how it's going to look like. Okay. So let's apply, close, and then try it. Text, single line. Click here, and let's just have a text height just here, and then go uh, to a straight font, and then let's just see uh, floor plan. Right, press enter, and there you go. So that's how you can have your floor plan or your text written this way. So we can now open up our, let's say, preliminary sheets, okay, and then do the same thing. We will type in style, and we will create so this on ARCH here, but it's using ARCHXX. So we're gonna just create a new one, and then ARCH, okay, and then select here. This one can't find the file ARCH3.shx. I'm gonna select this ARCH architect file font, then click apply and then close. And then if you want that to apply here, simply click on this one. On your properties, the style is standard. We're going to pull that down, and then we're going to select ARCH, and there you go. Okay. Now it is wider than your typical Arial font. So if you do want to squeeze that, you can create another style. So we can type in style, and then we can create a new one called ARCH, and then we're going to type in, let's say 75. So ARCH 75. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to make an architect style that has a width factor of 0.75. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to click apply and click close. And then if I want this to be narrower, I click that and I select the ARCH 75, and then it's going to be 75% narrower. I mean, 25% narrower than your normal font. Okay. Um, Now that you can control your fonts, then you can apply or change all of this to that font by simply clicking this file and then change it to 75. Okay, press escape and then use your match property. So you can select this, change to that, to change to this, and change to this, and then change to this, and change to that. Okay, another match property. So you can change this. Oh, undo. Oh, mistake here. So select this to change all of the small ones, and then press escape to stop, and then click a new match property, and then select your original one here so that you can copy it here and here. Okay, same thing here. You may want this to be that different font, so click that, and then click where 75, and there, that's how it goes. Match property, select this to select here and then here. All right, so that's basically how to change to architectural style lettering, downloading a font uh, called Architect on the font folder. And then you can try all of this first, but for our drawing in AutoCAD, we are going to use a different kind of font. So you can leave all of this here, but I want you to change your font styles here. So again, here we want this to be an ARCH 75, and then you can just match prop and copy the property for all of these. Okay, okay, so match prop all of them before we continue with dimensions. Okay.